Hello, and welcome to the Food House YouTube channel. In this video, we are going step by step on how to use the Food House Partner Hub app on your Sumi V2 device. If you are looking for a particular part on how to use the app, scroll along the video progress bar and use the labeled chapters to skip to your desired part. To remove one of your products from your restaurant's menu, go to the menu and press Products. Then select the category of the food you want to remove. After selecting, it may take a few seconds to load. Once it has, scroll down to find the product you want to remove. When you've found it, you can either turn the entire product off, or you can turn individual sizes of the product off. After you have turned the product off, it will no longer appear on your menu until you turn it back on again. We do have an option to turn all products back on again the next day, but you must request this from our support team. When a new order comes in, you have the option to either press View or Accept. If you press View, you'll be able to view the order that has just been requested. Scroll down the page and you can either press Accept or Reject. If you press Accept, you can choose an estimated time the order will arrive at the customer's house. If you press Reject, you will be prompted if you wish to do so. If you press Yes and the customer has paid by card, the customer will automatically be refunded back to their credit card. When a new order comes in and you press Accept, it will immediately accept the order for the time the customer has requested, which is displayed at the bottom of the order. The customer will receive a confirmation email and text message saying their order has either been accepted or rejected. To take a customer's bank details over the phone, go to the menu and choose Take a Payment. This will open a page where you can enter the customer's card details. When typing an amount of money, remember to put a decimal point between pounds and pence. Then, type in the card number, CVC, expiration date and postcode of the card. When you're done, press the Submit Payment button at the bottom of the screen. To show a daily report, click Menu, then Reports. It may take a few seconds to load. The reports page will show the current day's orders so far. If you want to see the order history of previous days, go to the top of the page to Date Range. There, you will need to select a start date and end date. Then, click Search to see the order history between the two dates. This may take a moment. If you need to, there is a button at the bottom of the screen that lets you print your report.